New City Moto, where the coffee is never as good as it smells. So, what we're doing today is we're going to get the exhaust situated for the fourth time. Hold on. Yeah, that's fucking terrible. What else? Let me spin you around. All right, so I had to step away. Just getting a little consumed with trying to figure this out. New fender came off of the Honda Zuki, so I'm gonna run with that fender. Still got to figure out the oil tank and the battery box. I'm thinking I'm going to have to dip the battery box down a little bit. So we'll see how that works out. And this rear pipe, going to have to do a little adjustment. So maybe tomorrow I'll get into that. I'll have to readjust it so that at least matches a little bit before I wrap it. But I went out for a ride. Took the Silver Surfer out. Went for a little ride through the towns, through the mountain and shit. And I've got a new vision for the bike. So after it's all said and done, I think we're going all black with pink flakes, and that'll be the frame. And then I'll go a little darker on the tank, same thing. Maybe some sort of flames or whatnot. But I'll sand the tank down, give it a nice rattle can with a clear and some flakes in it. And then all I have to do is figure out a front end. So I'll be on the old Facebook marketplace looking for a front end or Craigslist, or if anyone's got one, they want to come up off of it, we can figure that out. But that, I need a brake stay. I gotta figure this out also. I shaved this down. I like this curve, so I'm gonna curve it back in here a little bit more. Get rid of all this back here, smoothing it out a bit so that the lines are all curvy. I've got the cup that goes in here. I've got a nice cover for the points that I'm gonna get new. Yeah, it's coming together. It's coming together. Rear wheel, still trying to figure it out. I want to go with that solid one. Right now, it's that. But we'll get into it. We'll get into it. For now, I'm signing out. All right, so I thought I was done, and I went out, did some fucking around, and I realized that, oh shit, I had I had pipes. I think these are from an iron head. I had picked them up with, it wasn't that wheel, it was another wheel. I think the wheel is up in the rafters. The one that needed bearings. Would it be blasphemous to cheat a little bit? Repurpose these? And let's see if I get back a little bit. Not gonna fit because the mounting points are obviously different. But I can weld the tip on there, and then when it gets down to where this curve is, cut them and just twist them back a little bit, and I'll get the right curve that I need. And the same for the back. If I cut them at the right point, they'll give me the exact. I think these are for the front. Yeah, these are for the front. All right. That'll give me the point that I want, regardless. Front and back, I think it'll give me exactly what I want. without having to really jerk around with those too much, and I'll have something to practice on. Just ingenious, just a genius idea that just hit me. Yeah, I think it'll work. I think it'll work. Yeah, I got a strap. Don't ask. Tighten it up a little bit. Like I said, don't ask. Okay, so now we're all cut up. Separated, nice and clean. I'm gonna try to butt weld these things together again. And on that note, I'm signing out. Moto, new Moto, not Moto and anything. I'm out.